Hello everyone. In this video, we will learn about the basic Linux commands. For this purpose, you need to have the Linux terminal. Either you can create the Linux instance in AWS console, connect it using the PuTTY, or you can have the Linux system in the VM, that is virtual machine. And if you are trying for specific Linux distribution, you can try for it. You can go for the Red Hat distro or the CentOS distro. You can try for the Ubuntu distro as well. In my case, I am having the Ubuntu distro. My commands will be like sudo apt space install and the name of the package. If you are on the distro which is of Red Hat type, you can try for the command like yum space install and the name of the package. So let's go through the first command which is used for the SSH connection, that is SSH. You need to provide the some address after the SSH command. Whenever we are connecting for the EC2 instance using SSH, we will file the command SSH space the same key space the username of the instance at the address space of instance. Next command is pwd. By using the pwd, you can have the print of the working directory, or you can display the full path. Then another command is who am I, which will emit the username of the machine. You can create the folder using mkdir command. So I am creating the folder using mkdir, and after pressing the command ls, you will have the listing of all the folders and files in the current directory. So as I have created the folder, this one, you can have the listing of it. You can list the and display file ownership using ls space dash l, and here you will have the more details. If you want to find the details of the hidden files and directories, you can go for the ls space dash la. You can see the hidden folders as well. For clearing the screen, you can fire the command clear. To know about the history, you can fire the command history, and you will have all the commands that you have fired previously. Suppose I need to create one text file, so I can fire the command touch space name of the file with extension. So I have created the text file with uh, having the name as the A. Here you can see I have the a.txt in my present working directory. And suppose we have to open the file, or we have to see the content of the files, we need to have the some editor for it. So we can try for the nano space the name of the file dot txt. It will show the content of the file. You can save it here, any text, and save the text, that is welcome to practice, and control X for the exiting. So to display the file content, either you can go for the nano dot space name of the file .txt, or you can try for the cat space name of the file .txt. Next command is man, which is used for the listing of manual. But to search about the manual, you need to fire the command man space man. Here you can get all the details of the manual. While practicing, if you get any, if you want to know about some commands, like suppose you want to know about the ls command, you can fire the command man space ls, which will enlist you all the details about the ls and the syntax for it. And by pressing the q, you can quit the that user interface. Next command is cp for copying. Here the scenario is that you need to have the source file after the cp, and then you will have the destination file after the source file. So the command will be cp space source file space or the your target file that you are going to paste content from. Then as we are creating the folders and files, we can delete it. For deleting, we can have the rm space name of the file, you can enter. So after listing, you can see our file has been deleted. For deleting the folders, you can try for rm space dash rf space name of the directory and slash after it. And after listing, you can see the folder has been gone. For running the scripts, you can follow by creating the d- file with .sh extension, and you can run it using from the terminal dot slash and name of the particular file. So let's create the .sh file. So here I'm adding the command sudo apt update and sudo apt upgrade and saving it as the command .sh. For running the command.sh, we should give him some permissions. So we will fire the command sudo space chmod plus x space command.sh, which is our scripting file. We'll ask for the password. Then we can run the scripting file with dot slash and name of the file .sh. Oh, sorry. Dot slash name of the file .sh. It will run the script together. So in this way, we can fire the more commands using this scripting file. Okay, next command is echo. So whenever we need to have or to print the some message from the terminal itself, or we are having the some scripting files and we need to want to know some details from the terminal itself, we can use the echo commands within the script file, or you can go for direct printing it. So here I have entered the echo space hello in the double inverted comma, and it is emitting the message that hello. So the command is most important is su. It is asked for the administration by the user, and we will be at the root console. And from the exiting from the root console, you can fire the command exit. For updating the system, you will have the sudo apt update. For upgrading the system, you will have the sudo apt upgrade. Uh, Suppose we want to know about the IP configuration, you can fire the command ifconfig. But to have ifconfig command, you need to install the nettools first. So you can fire the command sudo apt install nettools. Also, if you want to list the all the ports, you can try for the netstat command, and it will limit all the number of ports and paths of it. So these are some basic commands you can practice. You can add the content to the files, you can copy the files contents, you can create the directories, you can delete the directories, and you should know about the um, administration commands, which comes under the sudo space something like. Thank you very much for listening this recording. You can practice the basic Linux commands and then try for the learning cloud computing.